How to do Hat Trick TEMU method. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TEMU. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Also, you need to make sure that your application TEMU is up to date. If not, you can head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then update your application to the latest version. Once it is up to date, head over to You at the bottom. Click on this gear icon at the top right corner. In here, you need to make sure that the country and the region is set to US. Now what you want to do is go back and head over to Earn Credits and Free Gifts. In here, over here you should see the option of Hat Trick Free Gifts. If you can't find that option here, what you want to do is go back to your home page. And in the source bar, you need to search for Hat Trick. Click on this option. It will open up this page. Now you will have to select 3 different gifts for yourself. Once you have selected the item that you prefer, click on Confirm. Now you will have to enter your shipping address and then invite your friends to TEMU application. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can do Hat Trick TEMU method. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.